Welcome back, my beauty squad. How you been? If you're new, it's your girl Jessica. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down here, and that you got this right here bell turned up all the way up. It has the little thingies around it. That way you get notified for any and every video upload, because your girl uploads daily. Plus, I go live every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday, 8 p.m. Eastern time, and we just have loads of fun there. We chit chat, play with makeup, try out skincare, any and everything to help each other support and motivate each other. I absolutely adore this community. And if you have not seen one of my lives, what are you waiting for? Just check one out. You'll see how awesome this community is. So, with that being said, would y'all like to see what I got in my PR box this month? Plus, I've got another little goodie that I just got in the mail. So, I wanted to go over a few things with y'all. And then I got another goodie. So stay tuned if you would like to see what I got in my PR and do a couple of swatches. Plus the other goodie I got in the mail today. Love y'all. So you decided to stick around. Thank you. I just want to tell you that I really do appreciate each and every one of y'all to sit here and take your time out of the day to watch my content. Thank you so much. It means more to me than you would ever know. And I know it might sound cliche. You hear this from everybody. But I truly am blessed to have each and every one of y'all in my life. And you don't know how much you stay in here commenting and giving my video a thumbs up and leaving your opinions and stuff. It empowers me so much more to keep pushing and doing better content and keep making more just for y'all. So thank you so much. Before we get started in the house, of course, y'all know I am, but only the procrastinator, right? I am the suspense queen 101. Just want to give y'all an update. I am going to be doing a video on this right here. This is the professional grade makeup brush cleaner, 99.9 bacteria free, quick dry, rinse free formula. This was a gift from my best friend Bobby. This retails for $42, guys. But she got me this because I am pregnant and she don't want me on my feet no more than I have to, because they swell up like elephant feet. And so she got me this so I could try it out. As you can tell, I've been trying it out. I've already used it like 3 times maybe. I have a crap load of brushes right here that have to be washed. Like, this is just half of them. So I'm going to sit down and do a video showing y'all how this works, how quick this works, how easy it is. And yes, I'm sorry to say this. I really do not like saying this whenever it's a price tag this much, but it's worth your penny. But with that being said, stay tuned for that video. That video will be up tomorrow morning, hopefully. This is Friday night. I want to get this out, my little video haul, because I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So before I get into my PR, let me show you the little bitty haul that I purchased. This is the Peachyqueen palette. This is her newest palette she just released last week. Can I just say, this was one of the fastest shipments I've ever received from any company. She is an indie brand, but she is an awesome indie brand. This is my 4th Peachyqueen palette. I do want the Sunrise palette so freaking bad. Like, so bad, guys. The one that Nikki Tutorials did a review on it. So that's going to be like my next one I get from her. But I did get this one. They do have Afterpay and Sizzle, which is awesome. This palette was like $36, $37. It came out to $40 all in total with shipping and everything. But look at her. Ain't she gorgeous? Look at the detail. This is inspired from the Cheshire Cat. And I'm weak when it comes to packaging. And as you can tell, I love my Cheshire Cat. This is my face mask. So this is what I walk around with, like, in public, guys. So it just tells you, like, I love my Cheshire Cat, right? So this is what it looks like. So sleek and beautiful. And I love the saying, we are all bad here, because it is absolutely the truth. This is the window. The mirror. Look how smoky and detailed this is. Like, it is so beautiful. And it's kind of like the Alice in Wonderland. Don't mind all my mess back there. Alice in Wonderland theme. Look at these colors. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 satin shades. 1, 2, like glittery shades. They're not glitter, like thick glitter, but they're glittery. Then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mattes. Absolutely gorgeous. I love this color scheme. I don't have this color scheme in any other palette, so I think that's awesome. I love it when I have a new palette with different color schemes instead of the same colors. I'm trying to get up my collection, and there's quite a few color schemes I don't own, so that is always awesome to have another one in. So, to my PR, I'm excited, guys. I'm so excited. I went ahead and took it out of the package because I wanted to check everything, make sure everything was Gucci, nothing came broke. That is a highly, highly recommendation for my busy beauty, because she tries her hardest to make sure everything comes to you perfect. And so I try to, as soon as I get the package, I will open it up, check everything out, and then let her know that, hey, I got it, it's good, we're good to go. So she gets a little less stressed. Anything to keep my Stephanie from getting stressed. Y'all, she is phenomenal. If you have not checked her out yet, what are you waiting on? I cannot tell you how many people went ahead and went to her eBay store and have been floored by the customer service, for one, from the items they received, for two, for the price tag on the items, for three. Like, she is bomb. Bomb, bomb, bomb. She is fast, efficient, and just smart as hell. Like, can I just say, I love my sis to pieces. When she reached out to me 8-9 months ago, I never in a million years thought we would build the relationship that we have right now, and I love her to pieces. And it's her personality that grabs you in. And once you shop from her and you actually speak to her, you will see exactly what I mean. So please, please, please go check her out. Of course, you know, I will leave both links down below. I'll leave her IG because that's the quickest, fastest way to get a hold of her if you need something, or if you just want to ask her a question about something. By all means, she's available. Just DM her. And, you know, you can see if she has a certain item in, if she's available to get it, how much it would cost, such and such. She is phenomenal. She puts up lots on eBay. So if you go to her eBay and you click Save Seller, every time she posts a new lot, you will get an email showing the lot that she posted. So that's how I stay ahead of the game. Plus, she also uploads on Instagram too, so you kind of get 2 sneak peeks. So you can be ahead, because I'm telling you, her lots go like that. Ever since I've been working with her, like, her lots do not stay whatsoever. Like, if you want something, you better snag it up or don't even look, because then you'll be regretting it. Because I can't tell you how many lots I've cried over. I'm just like, I need that in my life. But I need it. And then it's gone. Like that. So, this is the little palette she sent me. I have another one, but that was a bigger surprise. So, let me show you this one first. She was like, I heard someone needed pastels in their collection. I love you, sis. This is absolutely gorgeous, by the way. This is Fantasy 21 color eyeshadow palette. This is my Doe color. They are not the biggest on making like palettes, but they have some phenomenal brushes. So if you go to Doe color, you can see them, you can find them on Amazon. I think they have their own official website. I'm not sure, but I know they're all over Amazon. So if you're going to look for a good brush set, affordable brush set, look up some Doe's colors. Now, I have tried one of their palettes before. It's kind of like a neon palette. Look at this palette. Oh, the colors, guys, the colors. All right, we gotta swatch something up in here. So we got that one. We got that one. I want that blue in my life, and I want that white one. Ooh, that white one shifts into pink. I don't know if that's picking that up, but y'all see these swatches? These two are two different, but you can't really tell. That one right there is that pink, and the pinky is that white. Let me get one more map. Let's do a purple. Alright. Like I said, I'm not sure how much this retails for. This is my PR box. This did come in my PR box, so I can look it up and put it up here somewhere if I remember. Don't kill me if I don't remember. I'm sorry. Oh, these are buttery. Like, I don't know if y'all can see that because of my light. I've been trying to use my light a little more. Oh my god, my girl, what are you doing? Okay, so you can't really tell because I'm terrible at swatches. Alright, let's do this one. There's that pink. There's one of the shimmers, but it's not really showing up right here. But it's gorgeous in front of me, like right here. Look at that purple, guys. Like, that purple is off chain. And purples are hard to make. So, hey, those colors. Yeah, get it, girl. So, that's that. My terrible, terrible swatches. I will do better with the next palette. Promise. But I will be doing a review of that. Now for the big boy. This is from Glamlite. Y'all want to see what I got? Look at this donut. I do believe, don't come at me, I do believe they're sold out right now, so I'm sorry. But this is absolutely the cutest freaking palette I've ever got in my life. Like, ever. Glam donut is the most glamorous donut you've ever seen, and that is the truth. Now, I cannot wait to put this back in my area. Have it just out there and just saying hey to everybody. This is the packaging, and it is squishy, guys. It is. I'm giddy when it comes to packaging. Y'all know this already, so like, this ain't a mystery, but look how squishy it is. It is so freaking cute. It's squishy in the middle. Like, I want a donut now. My pregnant ass wants a donut. And it just keeps getting cuter. Look at that mirror. There we go. Look how cute. And then, of course, it's got the plastic in the middle. Now, when I received this, it was still fully plastic and everything. She did not check it. So, I had to open it up and check it out for her, make sure it was good. Look at these colors, guys. And I absolutely love Glamlite. Glamlite is one of the best brands out there. I don't care who wants to come after me. I'm just telling you, like, it's real. Glamlite is real. Okay, so here's some of the colors. And y'all know I've been on like this pastel-y Little Mermaid fantasy look kick. Alright, we're gonna do this on the back of the head because you can't really go wrong. Ooh. Oh yes. And y'all, she is on par with her shimmers. Look at that. Do y'all see this? Look at those shimmers. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to do it. But I am going to, because I don't want to make y'all sit here in 35, 45 minutes. I've been trying my hardest to cut my videos down. So, we will have Battle of the Palettes. Man, both of these are PR. I figured the best way to do it. Let's see how Dose of Colors hold up to Glamlite, because everybody likes Glamlite. Most of y'all have tried Glamlite. If you haven't, like, where you been? She's that type of bitch. Like, y'all need a Glamlite in your life. I have the cake palette, the paint palette, and now the donut palette from Glamlite. I want to say I have another one. I think that's it. Just them three. But I love every single one of them. They're phenomenal. And my opinion, she's just getting better. Like, you can only improve. Or you can stay where you're at. But there's always room for improvement. So, this is the donut. This is the Dose of Colors. We will have a Battle of the Palettes coming this week for sure. So stay tuned for that. I want to see how this bad boy holds up against Glamlite. Best way to do it is to one eye. So, like, to get it on out there. Like I said, I already have Glamlite products and I adore them. I want to try their eyeliner so bad. I heard it was really good. So hopefully I can get a Glamlite eyeliner soon. They look like pens. Like, they're phenomenal. So hopefully I can get one of those. Stay tuned for this. Can't wait. Stay tuned for this review. And of course, stay tuned for my review on my brush cleaner that's coming up tomorrow. So if you're not subscribed, all you gotta do is click that little subscribe word right there. And that you got your notifications on. Once again, I remind you, this is a friendly reminder. Just so you don't have to miss any of my content furthermore. I love y'all. Stay beautiful. Stay blessed. Be careful out here in this crazy mess. Ooh, all right. I'm a poet, didn't know it. Boom. I love y'all. And until the next one.